Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok. You don't have too much space to know how to fix or how to solve TikTok. You don't have too much space. You should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will find here updating this blue sign. You can click to update your app. If it's not working with you, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time.